we focus on the UAV carbon fiber propellers for 13 years already. And we have the whole range of the propellers, like the multi-rotor, fixed wing for gas or electric, also designed for VTOL, FPV, and all types of the drones propellers. So if you have any needs, we have the standard products, also can do customize, even your logos, pitch, any special requirements. So we can talk about that. And we have 10 engineers. For 1 month, we can produce about 20,000 pieces to 25,000 pieces. End of this year, we will be double about our capacities. So if you have the bulk orders, so we can meet your requirements for the large quantities products. So you can look at our different series about it. So this is our latest version about the multi-rotor propellers is for folding products. So this one is 22.2 inches. That one is very popular in the market. So you can see a lot of drones use these propellers. And I recommend you try this one. This one get more efficiency and lower the noisy. And this one is easy to carry and storage. So if you use this size, we recommend you can try this one. So about our customers, so is the like European, Middle East, and US, and also some is Asia's. Turkey is one of our important markets here. I think this exhibition is very nice and got a lot of companies and clients come to this show, and we can talk a lot about the products and the industry things, news. They have any technicians developed and new developed projects, so we can talk a lot.